So hi everyone, this is a video of us getting ready for the 2025 Mitta Mountain Rally. The car had just been through a massive repair because at the last event we unfortunately had a bit of an off and damaged the left front corner of the car. But anyway, this is it, just showing the left front corner there with the damage that had been done at the new air filter there has been replaced because that got totally squashed, and that corner there was has bbeen replaced. Likewise front guard and the bonnet, and yeah, it's all done. The inside of the car has all been checked over and repaired. I've got a little window crash smashing devices there that cuts the seat belt and windows in case you got to get out of the car in a hurry, but yeah, it's all done. And we've had electric window faults in the car, that's all repaired and looking pretty good. So overall pretty happy. It all fits back to where it used to, so that's pretty good.